So I thought I had some video capture software on my computer, but I don't. So I'm going to do this on my phone. So I'm opening these Upper Deck packs. I just got 3 just to try it out. So let's see what we get. Johnny Gaudreau Impressions. Oh, you can flip them like that. Okay. Code to Greatness, PK7. And the last one. Oh, there's a Young Guns. Matt Pimple, something. I don't know. I don't know these hockey names. Just figured I'd do this so you guys can see what it looks like. Bought 3 packs. You're guaranteed at least an insert in a pack if you buy them. Your free packs are just going to be base. And if you get a box, you're guaranteed a relic. So, what do you guys think? Digital that can go to physical. It's the new thing Upper Deck's trying, so it's kind of cool. Thanks for checking it out.